guys, my name is Bonnie. I'm going to be showing you around one of our traditional style residence halls here on campus. It's going to be you and a roommate in one room, and then how many roommates you have varies from whether you're in traditional or suite style. Right now we're in Able. There's Able, Sandoz, Harper, Schramm, and Smith, as well as Selleck. Those are all going to be traditional style dorms. You're going to have a bed like this. It'll either be all the way down or you can have it lofted. And then something that's special to traditional style residence halls is that you can have it a captain style, so that's going to hit kind of right about my hip here. Every residence hall room will also have a nice closet like this. You'll have 3 different levels that you can hang clothes on. These drawers right here, as well as a medicine cabinet. Everyone is going to have their own desk, which is really nice. These are built in. You don't have to worry about bringing a chair or anything with you. We've got that covered. Every single desk area is also going to have a bunch of outlets so that you can plug in your phone, your hair dryers, straighteners, anything like that. Everyone's going to get their own refrigerator. Lots of room. You can see it's bigger than a typical mini fridge, which is super nice. And it's got the freezer on top. All of our rooms also come with a trash can and a recycling bin. There's going to be kind of a garbage room on every single floor that you can dump either your waste or your recyclables in. We've got a thermostat, and that's going to be in every room, which is super nice. So you and your roommate just got to make sure that you two are on the same page of how hot or how cold you want it. The coldest it goes is down to 65, and then it'll go all the way up to 80 degrees if you like it that warm. The same setup as your roommate side. You guys are all going to have the desk, the chair, this bed that is adjustable, and then the closet as well.
Hi everyone, I'm Tori, and I'm going to be showing you around a traditional residence style community bathroom and shower. So we'll come right in over here first to the shower area. We do have a locking door, so you're going to have a space to go in first. Come on in here, you're going to be able to see the shower, and there is a curtain for you, and there's even little spaces to put like shampoo. Super private space for you. And then if you come over here, you're going to be able to see the sinks that we have in the community bathroom and showers. Plenty of space to put any makeup or anything you need to use to get ready. You want to make sure you look good. There's plenty of mirrors too, so there's even more around the corner right here. And then back behind me, you're going to have obviously the bathroom area. Very self-explanatory. Our bathroom areas are cleaned every single day for 1 whole hour. We keep it nice and clean for you right here at Nebraska.
So guys, right now I'm going to show you what like a little lounge area is going to look like in our traditional residence halls. Every floor of the residence halls are going to have this lounge area available for you guys, so that's awesome. First thing, you've got just a nice little table where you can come and study with your friends, especially late at night. You don't have to worry about keeping up your roommate. You guys can come in here, work as late as you want, and then when you're done working, you can come over here and kind of relax. You can see we've got big comfy couches. There's armchairs and a TV, and that's all free for student use. You can come in here whenever you want, just kind of crash, hang out with your friends. Your RA or residence advisor is also probably going to have some like movie watching parties, or I know for girls especially, we always have a bachelorette watching party in here, which is a lot of fun. They'll bring some snacks. You guys can all bond, watch some TV together. It's a lot of fun.
This is a traditional residence hall laundry room. So over here we're going to have the washers. It costs $2.25 to wash here at the university. Our machines take a debit or credit card. And one thing that's really cool about our machines is that we do have this website called mywayvision.com, and it can tell you which machines are available. It can also get sent reminders to yourself about when your laundry is going to be done. So that's super helpful when you're first coming to college and getting used to doing maybe your laundry for the first time. Here we're going to have the sink, so you can do a little extra washing right there. And then lastly over here we have the dryers. It is free to dry here at the university. Take advantage of free drying. You can always throw a blanket in there, get nice and toasty, and head back to your room.
Alright guys, if you like what you saw here, you can get a full list of all of our residence hall amenities as well as floor plans for each residence hall on campus at housing.unl.edu.
We'd love to see you on campus so we can take you on a real tour. You can visit our website at go.unl.edu/visit.